Hello everyone! Welcome to Writing Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to write a professional and winning graphic designer resume, and we'll go step by step using a complete real example. I'm going to explain what this type of resume is, why each section matters, what you should write, and I'll include the full sample in every part so you can follow along easily and confidently. So first, what exactly is a graphic designer resume? A graphic designer resume is a professional document that highlights your creativity, design skills, and ability to communicate ideas visually. It shows employers that you can create engaging designs for both digital and print media, maintain brand consistency, and deliver projects that attract and engage audiences. Unlike some other roles, this resume must clearly show both your creative abilities and your results, because employers want designers who not only create beautiful visuals, but also solve problems and support business goals. Now let's break everything down step by step. Header and contact information. Let's start with the very top of the resume. Here is the full sample. Sophia Martinez, 5128 Sunset Boulevard, Los Angeles, California, 90027, United States. Phone 3235-557842. Email sophia.martinez@email.com. Portfolio www.sophiamartinezdesigns.com. LinkedIn linkedin.com/in/Sophia Martinez. Now what should you write here? You always begin with your full name, and it should stand out clearly at the top. This is your professional identity, so make sure it's easy to read. Next, include your address, or at least your city and state. This helps employers understand your location. Then, include your phone number and a professional email address. Make sure your email is simple and professional. Now here's something very important for graphic designers: your portfolio link. The line portfolio www.sophiamartinezdesigns.com is extremely important because this is where employers can actually see your work. Your resume tells them what you've done, but your portfolio proves it. Finally, include your LinkedIn profile to show your professional presence. Tip: always make sure your portfolio is updated and showcases your best work. Professional summary. Next, we move to the professional summary. Here is the full sample. Creative and detail-oriented graphic designer with over 5 years of experience developing engaging visual content for digital and print media. Skilled in branding, typography, and layout design, with a strong ability to translate ideas into compelling visuals. Proven track record of delivering high-quality designs that enhance brand identity and drive audience engagement. Now let's break this down so you know exactly what to write. The first sentence says, creative and detail-oriented graphic designer with over 5 years of experience. This introduces who you are and your experience level. Next, developing engaging visual content for digital and print media. This shows the type of work you do. Then, skilled in branding, typography, and layout design. These are key design skills that employers look for. After that, with a strong ability to translate ideas into compelling visuals. This shows creativity and problem solving. Finally, proven track record of delivering high-quality designs that enhance brand identity and drive audience engagement. This highlights results and impact. Tip: keep your summary short but powerful, focusing on both creativity and results. Core skills. Now let's look at the core skills section. Here is the full sample. Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign. Branding and visual identity. Typography and layout design. Social media graphics. Print and digital design. UI/UX basics. Creative concept development. Color theory. Time management. Attention to detail. This section gives a quick overview of your strengths. Notice how the skills include both technical tools and creative abilities. For example, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign shows technical proficiency. Branding and visual identity shows strategic design thinking. Color theory shows understanding of design principles. Tip: Include a mix of software skills and creative skills. Professional experience. Now we move to the most important section, professional experience. Let's start with the first role. Here is the full sample. Senior Graphic Designer. Creative Wave Agency, Los Angeles, California. March 2021 to present. Designed marketing materials, including social media graphics, brochures, and advertisements. This shows the type of work you create. Led branding projects for 15-plus clients, improving brand consistency and recognition. This is strong because it shows leadership and measurable impact. Collaborated with marketing and content teams. This highlights teamwork. Increased client engagement by 30% through innovative design strategies. This shows results, which is very important. Managed multiple projects simultaneously while meeting tight deadlines. This shows time management and reliability. Now the second role, Graphic Designer. Bright Pixel Studio, San Diego, California. June 2018 to February 2021. Created digital and print designs for a variety of clients. This shows versatility. Developed logos and brand guidelines. This highlights branding skills. Worked closely with clients. This shows communication and understanding client needs. Improved design turnaround time by 20%. This shows efficiency. Now the third role, Junior Graphic Designer. Visionary Designs, Irvine, California. January 2016 to May 2018. Assisted in creating marketing materials. This shows early experience. Edited images and prepared files for print production. This highlights technical skills. Supported senior designers. This shows teamwork. Maintained brand consistency. This shows attention to detail. Tip: always include results like percentages to show your impact. Education. Now let's look at education. Here is the full sample. Bachelor of Fine Arts in Graphic Design. California State University, Long Beach. Graduated 2015. This section confirms your academic background. Keep it simple and clear. Technical skills. Next is technical skills. Here is the full sample. Adobe Creative Suite, Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Figma, Canva, Sketch. These tools are essential for graphic designers. They show your ability to create, edit, and collaborate on designs. Key achievements. Now let's look at key achievements. Here is the full sample. Increased social media engagement by 30% through creative design campaigns. This shows measurable success. Successfully rebranded 10-plus businesses, improving brand visibility. This highlights experience and results. Recognized for creativity and innovation in design projects. This adds credibility. Languages. Finally, we have languages. Here is the full sample. English, fluent. Spanish, fluent. This is useful when working with diverse clients. So to recap, a strong graphic designer resume should start with clear and professional contact information. Include a strong summary that highlights creativity and results. List both technical and creative skills. Show experience with real impact. Include education and tools. Highlight achievements. Include a strong portfolio link. Remember, your resume should prove that you can create designs that are not only visually appealing, but also effective. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching Writing Tutorials.